No, that's perfect.
I be in my own world lately, searching for freedom, but I be on this roller coaster, such a long way down from here. I be on this long road daily, fighting my fears, but I'm stuck inside these waterfalls. If I smoke away all the pain, I'll be higher than a plane. So if you need me, you can find me on a satellite, trying to get through to you. Ay, if you need me, you can find me on a satellite, trying to get through to you. Okay, look, I'm honest, don't need that, stop talking, I'm faded. Don't worry where my mind is at, I've lost it. Cause right now, I'm off commission, even left my office. I'm off the map, I stepped inside that shadow, bitch. I'm off this night into the stress things. Leave that shit on planet Earth, let me do me, bitch. I'm on a wave, it's like I plan to serve. Satellite, like the view from where I've at, I had the words, but I know that I'ma need to recover. Wish I had a nurse. Kidding. Shit, I know I'm out of space where everybody fit in. Come and join the kid, you can tell your problems. Good riddance, like an unexpected after plan B. I'm just kidding, I got issues put on hold. Clouds that I can sit on, new perspectives to uphold. And other planets I can get on, but it's cool. I left all the bull behind me. If you ever need me, then you know where you can find me on a satellite. If you need me, you can find me. Trying to get through to you. No, 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 no. Yeah. If you need me, you can find me on a satellite, trying to get through to you. On a satellite, you can find me on a satellite.
Cool.